Congressman Gregory Meeks, please.
This indeed is a beautiful, beautiful, and glorious day. First thing, I think that the Lord agrees with us because, you know, it's been very hot this past week and unbearable at this time in the morning. But this morning, we've got a beautiful morning. The sun is shining brightly. We've got a nice little breeze that's going through. So indeed, this is a project, as the rabbi was indicating, that is blessed by God. It is an honor and a privilege for me to see this dream, the dreams of the individuals that are on the board. From first Silvercrest Center for Nursing, who's been doing a spectacular job here for a long period of time. The dream of the board members of this new center. The dream of this community. And most importantly, of course, the dream of 80 people who will be living in this beautiful residence. Their dream is turning to reality. Your dream is turning to reality. And this would not have happened had it not been for the hard work of the individuals like Cosmos, pulling everybody together. As Dr. Henrich indicated, this is not just a federal project, it's a state project, it's a city project. It's everybody pulling together to turn dreams into reality. Mr. Mills talked about some of the pressing times of today. Indeed, we are in the worst economic times of our lifetimes, probably since the Great Depression. We just passed, as indicated, I sat on the Financial Services Committee and was on the conference committee to decide and to move forward a financial regulation reform bill so that we can try to help move our economy forward and make sure that taxpayers are not on the line for bailouts again. And oftentimes when we talk about Main Street and Wall Street, we don't make connections. And we don't talk about Main Street because this building is a Main Street function. When you think about the people that we're going to house, seniors who are low income, people who have worked hard their lives, all their lives, the working poor, wanting to make a difference, but don't have a lot of money. But they truly are God's creatures and they deserve to live in a facility like this. And what is most important, we passed this year in Washington something that governments, Congresses, and presidents have tried to pass for years and years and years, and that's giving more Americans access to health care. We finally passed that bill. But when you think about seniors also, it's not only about having the facility to live in, because as we get older, naturally, there's also health difficulties. We need aid. We need to make sure that we get the medical, the medical coverage and have the doctors that are there to oversee them so that we can live healthy, long, and prosperous lives. That's what this represents. So it builds together the ability to live in a modern, decent facility with affordable and available health care so that the quality of life that you live is a quality of life that is good. We live much longer today, thank God, but we've got to make sure that that long life is put together with a healthy life, put together with a life full of vitality, put together so that one can live a quality life. The community has come together. All of you who are here, people who will be working in this facility, people in the community, elected officials, people who are committed to making sure that our seniors live a long life, a life full of joy, a healthy life. This is, I think, the emblem of what we all want to stand for, because this would mean that tomorrow, as soon as they move in here, tomorrow, their life will be much better than today and yesterday was. And so I want to thank all of you, each and every one of you, those who had the vision, those who committed, those who made the sacrifices, those who will be working and taking care of the people that live here. I want to thank you. Thank you for what you do. Thank you for caring. Thank you for making lives better. God bless each and every one of you.